Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. Autodesk have launched REVIT 2025 version. So quickly we will see how we can download and install REVIT 2025 version. So to download REVIT 2025, click on the link provided in the description section below. If you have a student account, click on sign in and sign in with your credentials. And if you don't, then create one. Video linked in the I button on how to create an Autodesk student account. After signing in, click on Get Autodesk Software. Now scroll down and click on Get Product under REVIT. Here it is, REVIT 2025 version. Then click on Install and accept the terms, and an .exe file gets downloaded. Just click on it. Then click on Install and wait until REVIT 2025 gets installed. Then click on Start. And here it is, REVIT 2025 version. Now open a template and you can enjoy REVIT 2025. So that's it for this tutorial guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.